In this video, I'll show you how to set up Yoast SEO on WordPress. Start by signing into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins and click Add New. Search for Yoast SEO, then install and activate the plugin. Next, open the new Yoast SEO menu from the left sidebar and launch the first-time setup. Follow the guided steps to configure your website, choose whether it's a personal or business site, and enter your site information. After that, review the SEO settings and enable the features you want, such as XML sitemaps, SEO analysis, and readability analysis. Now open any page or post and scroll down to the Yoast SEO section. Enter a focus key phrase, customize the SEO title and meta description, and review the optimization suggestions provided by the plugin. Next, save or update your content and repeat the same process for your most important pages and blog posts. Finally, monitor your SEO performance over time and continue optimizing your content as you publish new pages. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Yoast SEO on WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.